I'm gonna show you some of my DIY. Pretty many. Let's give them some points. And a little messy. Alright, you first. I like beach, so 8 per 10. This guinea pig, but it's gone. I miss him so much. 1000 per 10. A cup tray. Kirby is so cute. 10 per 10. The cat meme.
Huh? Huh?
Hiya is failed. 1 per 10. A keyboard grease. 7 per 10. Just take a bite. Adorable park. 200 per 10. Trinket box. Looks so boring. I like it. 10 per 10. This elder one is quite short. 5 per 10. Oh, flip well. 7 per 10. So fun to play with. 15 per 10. Baby cocky to hold my phone. 8 per 10. Pizza and croissant squishy. 1 per 10. Oh, I really like this character. 1000 per 10. I will give these to my cousins and hope they will like this.